Need to work with two websites at the same time? In this video, I will show you how to split a Chrome tab into a new window and display two Chrome windows side by side for faster and more efficient multitasking. Let's get started. The first technique is splitting a tab into its own browser window. And second is displaying two Chrome windows side by side. Let's start by separating a tab at the top of the Chrome browser. Locate the tab you want to move. Click and hold the tab, then drag it away from the current window. Then release the mouse button. As you can see, Chrome automatically creates a new browser window containing that tab. This is especially useful when you want to compare information, monitor a dashboard, or keep an important application visible while continuing to browse in your main window. Next, let's create a new Chrome window. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome and select New Window. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard or Command plus N on Mac PC. You now have two independent Chrome windows that you can use simultaneously. Now let's place both windows next to each other. On Windows, select the first Chrome window and press Windows plus left arrow on your keyboard. Select the second window and press Windows plus right arrow on your keyboard again, or choose it from the available windows. Both browser windows are now displayed side by side, making it easy to compare information, work across two websites without constantly switching tabs. Drag a tab away from Windows to create a separate Chrome window. Open additional Chrome windows using New Window or the keyboard shortcuts. Arrange the windows side by side using your operating system's built-in Windows management tools. These simple techniques improve productivity and make multitasking easier and help you work faster. That's how you split Chrome tabs and display browser windows side by side. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.